Okay, so you want to build an online store, huh?
Sounds like it.
We got some awesome stuff here on building an e-commerce business.
Yeah, lots of good stuff.
And we're going to
Break it down.
break it down.
Absolutely.
Get to the good stuff,
Yeah.
important parts.
Let's do it.
And trust me, there's way more to this than
Yeah,
just putting up a website and
so much more.
hoping for the best.
Right.
It's a whole thing.
Definitely.
So you ready to uncover some of the secrets?
I'm ready if you are.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, so this stuff we got here,
Yeah.
really interesting stuff.
Yeah.
It lays out all the basic steps, like
Mhm.
setting up your website, obviously,
Right.
showcasing all your products,
Oh, wow.
figuring out how to process those payments.
Sure.
But it really emphasizes
Mhm.
that success is really in the details.
Oh, interesting.
It's about really understanding the nuances
Mhm.
and making those strategic decisions every step of the way.
So it's not just about slapping a buy now button on a website and calling it a day.
I'd be surprised how many people think it is.
Right.
But it's so much more than that.
Seriously, though, why is having an online store such a big deal these days?
Well, think about it.
Okay.
Like, an online store gives you access to, a global market
Okay.
24/7.
That's true.
You're not limited by,
Well, okay.
physical store hours
Right.
or even location.
Okay.
Plus, you can, gather all this data
Oh.
on customer behavior. What are they even looking at? What are they buying?
Makes sense.
That kind of insight can be, pure gold
Yeah.
for tailoring your marketing
Mhm.
and your product development.
Wow. So it's like having this constant feedback loop telling you what your customers actually want.
Yeah,
So you can actually use that to grow your business faster.
that's the idea.
Okay. I'm listening.
So
Yeah.
speaking of growth, this material really dives deep
Yeah,
into
sure.
choosing the right e-commerce platform.
Oh, interesting.
It's not one size fits all.
Wait, hold on. Are you telling me that
Yeah.
the platform I choose
Mm-hmm.
can actually
Make or break you.
make or break my business?
Think of it like
Okay.
building a house.
Okay.
You wouldn't build a skyscraper
Right.
on a foundation
Yeah.
meant for a little cottage.
No, you're going to need a much bigger foundation.
Yeah, you got to think about
Okay.
if you're planning for rapid growth, you need to make sure that that platform
Okay.
can actually scale with you,
Yeah.
with your inventory,
Yeah.
your traffic needs.
So Shopify might be great
Yeah,
if you're just starting out.
for sure for beginners.
Yeah. But if I'm dealing with thousands of products,
Yeah, if you have
complex shipping needs,
complex
I
shipping,
need something way more robust.
that needs something more powerful. Yeah, big commerce.
Something like that.
So big commerce would be better for
Yeah, if you have
More-
way more
more-
products.
more established business.
Yeah.
But it's more technical.
You need a little more know-how.
A little bit, yeah. Okay, so it sounds like
Mm-hmm.
choosing the platform is
It's a backbone.
it's at the backbone of the whole operation.
Yeah.
Choose wisely from the get-go.
Very important.
Okay, so let's say we've nailed the platform.
Okay.
We're ready to showcase our products.
Yeah.
Is there something that people often miss in this stage?
Oh, yeah.
What's a common pitfall?
One of the biggest ones is
Huh.
neglecting SEO.
Okay, wait, what's SEO?
Search engine optimization
Okay.
for your product descriptions.
Okay.
You could have the best products in the world,
Mm-hmm.
but if they're buried
Yay.
in the search results,
Yeah.
no one's going to find them.
No one's ever going to see
It's
them.
like you don't even exist.
So it's not enough to just have a catchy product name.
And a fun description.
Yeah, you
Gotta be
gotta,
the language of the search engines.
you gotta speak Google.
Okay. How do I do that?
Well, you need to use relevant keywords in your description,
Okay.
but you also want to look into things like
Mhm.
schema markup for products.
Schema markup. What is that?
This is basically adding
Okay.
specific tags to
Mhm.
your code
Okay.
to help search engines
Understand.
understand what your content is.
Oh, so it's like I'm giving them a cheat sheet
yeah, exactly.
so they can present my products
Okay.
in richer search results.
So they stand out.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
So it's all about getting my products seen.
that's the name of the game.
Okay, now let's shift gears a little bit.
Okay.
The material we have here also touches on marketing.
Right.
How do I get people excited about my online store in the first place?
This is where understanding your target audience is so important.
Makes sense.
Think about it.
Okay.
Where do they hang out online?
Okay.
What social media platforms? You can run
Yeah.
targeted ad campaigns
Right.
on those platforms.
Hmm.
And even explore like content marketing.
Content marketing, what's that?
So like imagine
Okay.
creating blog posts or videos that are related to your products,
Okay.
but you're offering value
Right.
and subtly promoting your store.
So it's like I'm building a community
Exactly.
and providing value beyond just
Yeah. You're not just
sell
shoving
shoving.
it down their throats.
Right.
Exactly.
So we talked about building our store.
Mm-hmm.
We talked about optimizing those descriptions,
Yep.
marketing strategically.
Uh-huh.
This all sounds a little daunting.
It can be a lot.
What are some of the challenges?
Well, the source material
Yeah.
mentions things like
Okay.
managing your inventory,
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
staying ahead of the competition.
It's tough out there,
Yeah.
especially these days.
And like keeping up with all this ever-changing technology.
Right. Like it seems like every day
Every day there's something new.
there's a new thing you got to learn.
Yeah.
So what's like the secret sauce?
I think it boils down to two things.
Okay. I'm listening.
Planning.
Okay.
Thorough planning
Planning is key.
and continuous learning.
Oh, so I got to like
Always
always be learning.
be learning.
Okay.
Yeah, like research your competitors,
Mm-hmm.
choose suppliers you can actually rely on,
Right.
and just stay informed
Right.
about what's new.
New trends
New trends, new technologies
in the e-commerce world.
in e-commerce, yeah.
Okay.
Don't be afraid to
Yeah.
seek out advice,
Okay.
mentorship.
So it sounds like
Yeah.
building an e-commerce business is a journey,
It is a journey.
not a destination.
It's a marathon, not a sprint.
Right.
Exactly.
So I got to be adaptable,
You got to be adaptable.
always learning,
Always learn.
always evolving.
That's the key.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground here today.
We have.
We talked about choosing the right platform,
Right.
optimizing for those search engines,
Very important.
marketing strategically,
Yes.
and navigating all those challenges.
Yeah, tell me.
What's the one thing you want our listener to walk away with today?
You know, at the end of the day,
Yeah.
building an e-commerce business,
Mhm.
it's not just about like
Right.
checking off boxes
Yeah.
on a list.
bigger than that.
It's about really understanding the
Yep.
principles,
Oh.
making informed decisions,
Mhm.
and like crafting a unique online experience
Okay.
that actually reflects your brand
Right.
and connects with your customers.
So it's about telling my story.
Yeah, what story are you telling?
Okay.
How are you setting yourself apart?
So that's where the magic happens.
That's where the magic is.
Amazing.
Yeah,
We've only scratched the surface here,
just the tip of the iceberg.
but hopefully this deep dive has given you a solid foundation.
A good starting point.
To start building your own e-commerce empire.
Absolutely.
Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint.
Pace yourself.
So keep learning,
Keep learning.
stay curious,
Yeah.
and most importantly,
Yes.
have fun.
Have fun with it.
All right, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
We'll see you next time.
See you later.
Okay,